This video is going to show you how to upload a writing assignment or other assignment onto Blackboard. Perhaps you put your writing assignment into a Word doc, or your teacher might have asked you to use Google Docs. I'll show you both ways right now. So here I have an assignment in Word. I'll go ahead and save it by going File, Save As, and save it in an organized folder for that particular class. So I'll save it in the American Government folder. There's the file name called James Bond. Okay. And then I will go ahead and open the assignment, the writing assignment. With the writing assignment open, I can come down here and attach files. So I will browse my computer and navigate to that class folder and find the assignment and click open. Now you can see it is attached down here as James Bond docx. That's the preferred file format. Now if you were using Google Drive, some teachers would prefer you to use Google Drive, you can go to File, Download As, Microsoft docx and submit it that way. Or if your teacher has instructed you to do this as well, you can make sure that it is shared with the teacher or that that assignment is in a shared folder with the teacher. So you can do that by typing in the teacher's email address there. Okay, and then I will copy and paste the link. Okay, I highlighted everything and did Control-C to copy. Now I'm going to go back to the uploaded assignment here and go to where the text submission is and Control-V. So there my Google Doc is submitted to this assignment. Last thing I got to do is click Submit, and that will submit the assignment. So the assignment is submitted. For checking off your tic-tac-toe Jumpstart sheet, please write the name of the document in this video, which is James Bond.